So now you have your practice. Try to practice every day, even for few minutes. Maybe it's enough that when you wake up, you just sit on your bed and have some deep breath, some mindfulness breath, maybe 5 mindfulness breaths. You feel your breath and then you start your day. Mindfulness, it's not about willpower. I have to manage it. No, it's a question of remember. So what I'm asking you, try to remember to be present, to be mindful. Choose the practice that you prefer. I tell you again, maybe few minutes a day, maybe in the morning you do a little practice, and after lunch maybe also a walk. Can be a 2 minutes walk, 2-3 minutes walk, in which you're present. You don't think, you are with your steps. Okay, you follow the sensation of the steps on the earth, in the feet, on the shoes, and you are there. You are present. It makes a lot of difference in your day. So find your more comfortable practice. If you, for example, if you exercise, if you do some sport, try to be mindful while you do it. If you go running, try to be present with the sensation of your body. Or if you go to the gym. And again, you can put a post-it on your laptop in which there is written breathe. So when you see it, you just have 1 or 2 mindfulness breath. For example, I have an app that's called Mindfulness Bell, and you can set it so that it rings, a bell rings. For example, I set it every 2 hours, it rings. So when there is the sound of the bell, I just stop and have some mindful breath, feeling my body. If there are some tension, I let go. Only 3 mindfulness breaths. And then I continue doing what I'm doing in a more present way. So it's very important not as much to do a long meditation in the morning, for example, and then run in all your day. It's better if you do maybe a shorter meditation, but you remember during the day, you remember from time to time, even for 3 seconds, to be mindful. So for example, when you get in the car, before start it up and go, before just be there for 3 seconds and feel your arms, feel the surrounding, and then go. Or the path in which you go to work or you come back home. Maybe it's a short path from the park, from where you park the car to the place that you work or your home. That path will be, try to think it's the most important path of your day. So do it in a very present way. For example, you are going back home, you are very present to each step that you're doing, and you'll see that after you are more present, more relaxed, more ready to go in your home to give joy and peace to the people of your family. So, and one other thing, try to have a mindful coffee or a mindful cup of tea or water when you wake up in the morning. Be there for that experience. So you have a very So you have a lot of things in which you can practice your mindfulness, your presence. Okay? Only remember, maybe when the telephone ring, before running and answering, have a mindful breath. So you're more ready to answer in the right way, probably. And I hope you enjoy your mindful moment, and I really hope with all my heart that the mindfulness can be with you for the rest of your life, making yourself more present to what there is, and probably more happy. Thank you.